Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a confidential asset on top of Zano. If you don't already know, Zano is a layer 1 blockchain that allows anyone to make their own tokens, but the tokens transactions are totally private, as well as the Zano transactions themselves. So in a previous video, I already showed you how to make a Zano alias. In this same wallet here, I'm going to tap the Control Assets button on the right there. You tap that, and I don't have any assets yet, but it's very simple. I'll just tap Create New Asset, and in this case, we'll give it a ticker, right? So we'll have it ZLTT. That can stand for Zanolist Test Token, right? And we'll do Zanolist Test Token. And in this case, I'm going to make a maximum supply of 20, but you can have that be 20 million or 20 billion or whatever number you want. And a current supply of 20, right? So like all are going to be emitted all at once. And in the meta info here, you can put a comment. So you could put like a link to an image, JPEG image or something. So if you wanted to make an NFT or something like that, for now, we'll just do Zanolist.com. So you can see all the information for Zanolist.com. And now all I have to do is to hit create. And we can see that's going to make Zanolist Test Token, ZLTT, 20 of them, their total. I'll tap Create New Asset. And the fee to do that is 0.01 Zano, I think. Oh, there it is. It's already there. If you want someone to add it to their wallet that doesn't have it already, you just tell them the token asset ID, and you can tap this whitelist asset button and then paste the asset ID in there, and it'll load the asset right into their wallet. But you can see now my wallet has Zano and Zanolist Test Token. If you would like one of those Zanolist Test Tokens, post your Zano alias in the comments below, and we'll give out 10 free Zanolist Test Tokens to people. And in our next video, we'll place a buy order for the Zanolist Test Tokens to buy them back from you at 1 Zano each over at trade.zano.org, the DEX for Zano. So if you want some free Zano, post your Zano alias in the comments below, and we'll give you the Zanolist Test Token, and then in the next video, we'll post a buy order for those Zanolist Test Tokens on the DEX, and you can sell them back to us, and we'll pay you anonymously with Zano right there on the Zano DEX. So go ahead and create your alias from the last video, post it in the comments below, and we'll send you your Zanolist Test Token, and in the next video, we'll show you how to redeem that back for more Zano. See you in the next video.